Hi, I'm Deanna Nowadnick. I'm an inspirational writer and a motivational speaker who loves to help us women of faith connect our delightfully ordinary stories to God's extraordinary love and faithfulness. Happy Sunday. I love Sundays. I love worship. I love being at church. I love being with God's people. I love playing my violin. I have played violin since the 4th grade, if you can believe that. There was a 30-year break, but you're probably thinking, wow, if she's played since 4th grade, she must be really good. No, I'm not really good. I am strictly mediocre, and that's on a good day. I whine, I complain. I'm the musician you would not want to have as part of your music team. I complain if we're not in the key of C, if we're not playing 4 beats to a measure. I love the new contemporary music, but can you please play a note on the beat? Any note on the beat. That's all I ask on any given Sunday, is a few notes on the beat. So, Sundays are a time when we get to come together as God's people. King David wrote that we should make a joyful noise to the Lord, that we should serve the Lord with gladness, that we should come into his presence with great joy. On this special day, I hope you have the opportunity to gather with God's people in your own place, in your own church, knowing that our God is worthy of our praise. We are asked to make a joyful noise. It's not suggested. It's not if you've got time, if you've got the ability, if you play an instrument, if you've got a 4-octave range. No. We're asked to make a joyful noise. We're asked to serve the Lord with gladness. We're asked to come into his presence with great joy. Have a wonderful Sunday. We'll talk again soon.